Everything is gone. It's all just piles of trash now.
I didn't think you'd come. We're here to help.
We'll start by securing the foundation and rebuilding this section here.
Oh, I hope so. Thank you.
We're going to make this right. The sofa springs are completely shot. We'll need a total replacement.
How high does that crack run?
It goes right up to the ceiling beam. The crack starts at 2200 and runs 850 millimeters.
Okay, I got that. How's the doorway looking?
Just a moment. Right, it's 2320.
Starting with the roof plan here, we move down to the walls, windows, and interior spaces.
It's a challenging sequence, but we can do it.
Yes, I see it. It truly can be rebuilt.
Okay, let's start with this area first.
Got it?
Make sure to separate the wood and furniture.
Will do.
Look at this. It's beautiful.
We got it, Grandma.
Thank you, thank you.
We need to remove all of this water-damaged lath. Watch out for that plumbing line. Be careful. All right, team, let's secure the unstable section first. Use the bracing here. Copy that, boss. Coming down with this slate.
All right, let's mark this section for replacement.
Copy that.
How is this beam looking? Looks weak, needs securing.
Understood.
Keep it tight on the line there. This section is perfect. Watch the level on this corner. Keep it steady there. The level looks good. Spread it out carefully. Watch the edge here.
Excellent work, team. Looking strong, boss. Just need to smooth this last bit here. She seems pleased.
Almost there. The cornerstone is perfect. Looks good, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Keep it steady. Up, up. Okay, got it. Yes, it looks good. Excellent work.
Looks perfect. They finished just in time for the rain.
The runoff is excellent. Looks like the roof is ready.
Oh, it's looking wonderful. Thank you, men.
Looks perfect, ma'am.
Just right. Let's see.
The conduit looks good here.
Okay.
We've got the cable sorted.
Let's check the voltage.
Reading is steady. Perfect.
Check the alignment on this section.
Looks good, boss. Ready for the pressure test.
Stand by. Opening the valve now.
Watching the joint.
Clear water, no leaks. Excellent.
Keep it smooth on the edges.
Looks good.
Nearly done now.
Look at this. It's beautiful. We did it, Grandma. Perfect. Thank you all. Look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh, it's more than I could have dreamed of. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's beautiful. It's just what I wanted.
Go ahead, try it. Oh my goodness. It's all working perfectly now. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you all so much.
God is good. Look at this house. It's beautiful. Thank you.
Done. Final check. Excellent work, team. Looks perfect.
Oh, it looks wonderful. I'm glad you like it. It came together beautifully.
It looks beautiful. We're glad you like it. All right, watch the corner. Little to the left. Looks good. Keep coming. Perfect. Easy there. You got it. Just right. Ah, this is lovely. Thank you so much.
The room is finished, Mrs. Kim. We'll leave you to enjoy it. The landscape looks perfect there, and the plant really brightens up this corner.
Ready when you are, ma'am.
Just right. Oh, look, it's perfect.
All right, team, final checks now.
Main breakers are solid.
Bedroom lights are working.
Living room is good.
Perfect, we're all set.
Oh, thank you. It's beautiful.
It's perfect. Thank you so much, all of you.
All right, that's everything.
Looks perfect. Couldn't have done better. Incredible. Oh, it's just so beautiful.
More than I ever dreamed.
Looks perfect.
I can't believe this is real. This is all yours, ma'am. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome, neighbors. Look, the house is finished. Oh, it's beautiful, Daddy. Look at the new door. I can't believe it. Come inside.
Isn't it wonderful? It looks amazing, thank you. We're so happy with it. I wanted to thank you again.
It is everything I dreamed of and more. We are glad to help, Mama. Rest well.
And the new roof is leak-proof, guaranteed for life.
Oh, it's just so wonderful. I can't thank you enough.
It was our pleasure. It looks beautiful, doesn't it?
It's perfect, absolutely perfect. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. You've truly made a difference. It was our pleasure, ma'am.
Thank you. You're home now. Enjoy your new house.
I never thought I'd see this day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's perfect. You're very welcome. Congratulations. Goodbye. Good morning, Character B. How was the first night? It was wonderful. Thank you so much. I am so happy with the changes here. They look beautiful, Mrs. Liu. And the kitchen, wow, you must see.
Thank you all so much. It's beautiful.
You're very welcome. We're happy to help.
Welcome, neighbors. Look, the house is finished.
Oh, it's beautiful. Here, a little something for you.
Thank you so much. Come in, let me show you the kitchen.
And it's so beautiful now.
Yes, you've done such a wonderful job rebuilding it.
It's perfect. Congratulations. Thank you all for being here. It means so much. Goodbye, my friends.
Bye now.
Bye, Anna.